Hello po sa inyong lahat. So for this video, pag-uusapan po natin si power rule at saka si quotient rule. I have here one function. Ayan, as you can see, parehas po sila. F of x is equal to x to the fourth plus 3x raised to negative 1. So magkaparehas po si power at saka si quotient rule. So we will solve this function using both power rule at saka si quotient rule para makita po ninyo yung difference. So itong naka-red, this one is the formula for power rule. U to the n is equal to n times u raised to n minus 1 du. At ito na pang sa kabila, yan po yung formula ni quotient rule. V times the derivative of u minus u times the derivative of v over v squared. So unahin po natin si power rule. So ngayon, gagamitan na natin siya ng formula. This is our u and this is our n. So based on the formula above, n times u raised to n minus 1, ano? So, kakopy lang natin si n, si negative 1. Tapos copy natin what is inside the parenthesis, so which is si x to the fourth plus 3x. Copy ulit natin si n, negative 1, minus 1. Kasi yan po yung nasa formula. Okay, tapos, derivative of what is inside our parenthesis. So that's derivative of our x to the fourth plus 3x. So ngayon, yung answer niyan will be negative 1 times x to the fourth plus 3x. Tapos ito, negative 1 minus 1 is of course negative 2. Ayan siya. Tapos the derivative of x to the fourth plus 3x. So, ang derivative po ng x to the fourth ay 4x raised to 3. Tapos, the derivative of 3x is 3. So, ayan siya. So, kasi makikita natin dito, negative po ang exponent. So, we can rewrite that this way. So, negative 4x cubed plus 3 over the whole thing. Ito po ay ilalagay natin siya sa ating denominator. So that will become x raised to 4 plus 3x raised to 2. So meron na po tayong answer using the power rule. Now, let's do the quotient rule. Tingnan natin if it will give us the same answer. So in this case, kasi negative 1 po yung kanyang raise, para ma-apply natin si quotient rule, ilalagay natin this one sa denominator. Kasi if it's raised to negative 1, pag malagay sa denominator, it will become raised to 1 na lang. So we can rewrite that one as 1 over x to the fourth plus 3x. Okay. So in this case, nasaan si u natin at saka si v? So of course, this one is our u and the denominator is our v. So kung ano po yung nasa numerator, yun po yung u natin. Yung denominator po, yun po yung magiging v po natin. So ngayon, by using the formula, ito, okay, so we will rewrite. So v, so ang v natin is ito, si x to the fourth plus 3x times the derivative of your u, which is si 1, minus u, which is si 1, times the derivative po of our v, which is si x to the fourth, plus 3x. Okay? Tapos, all over v squared, which is x to the fourth, plus 3x raised to 2. Okay? So, ngayon, ay, ito. What is the derivative of a constant? The derivative of a constant is 0. So, if we will multiply 0 to this one, everything will become 0. So, magiging 0 siya. Minus, of course, si 1. Tapos, ang derivative po natin dito, ang x to the fourth, derivative niya is 4x to the third, plus derivative po ng 3x is 3. Tapos, copy lang po natin kung ano yung nasa denominator natin. Okay? Ayan siya. So, negative 1 times this, of course, magiging negative lang siya. So, negative 4x raised to 3 plus 3 Tapos, copy lang yung nasa baba. Okay. So as you can see po, parehas na po yung answer natin. Ayan, using quotient rule and using the power rule. So either way po, pwede po natin gamitin so long as applicable po ito at tama po yung ginagawa natin na process. So I hope po ay meron po kayong natutunan, and don't forget po to like, share the video at saka follow the page for more videos.